Kali Linux plus Docker. We're going to go ahead and install Docker. We're going to use this to run Caldera later. So let's go ahead and do an apt update. This will take a few moments. And that's done. Let's go ahead and clear. And you could do an upgrade. I'm just going to go ahead and install docker.io. And that'll take a few moments. I'm going to fast forward it here so you don't have to watch it. All right, we're going to go ahead and run the service. And we'll go ahead and check the version. And that's it. That's all we have to do to get Docker running on Kali Linux.